welcome to the Riggin Farm YouTube channel. Today's gonna be a pretty exciting day. First of all, giving the chickens some snacks. They got some spinach and some apples. We're going to set up our indoor growing area to get some seeds started. Let's see if we have any eggs. Well, do we have any in there? Do we have any eggs in there? Got at least one right there. Well, she's got some eggs down there, that's for sure. It's only 2:30 and we already got 5 eggs. There's still a chance we'll get a few more later today. Let's go inside and get started on that shelf. We have everything set up now, and it's time to start getting some potting mix together so we can fill these seed trays and get some seeds going. We finished putting our shelf together and got the lights hooked up and everything. We got some seed starting soil mix put together by mixing some components. We'll talk more about that in a future video. It's time to check the chickens' nesting box for the last time of the day to see if there are any eggs before they go to bed. And we got one more beautiful egg for a total of 6 today. 6 eggs is the most we've ever gotten in a day. When we had just the 6 black Australorps, we would get 5 or 6 on average a day. Now that we have all these chickens, we're hoping that we can get at least 12 a day. One time. That would be such a great milestone. Tomorrow's a new day, so we might get 7 or 8. We'll find out. Please like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment below if you have anything you want to share with us. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.